Lenovo two-way DVR kit set, 2-in-1 function for DVR driving video recorder, and a rear camera can use for the parking camera. This is a rear camera view, front camera view, front and rear, two-way recorder. Go to setting, so you can replay front record or rear record a DVR. Video save location, you can select it. USB Pendrive. Android player got 2 USB slot, you can select USB or recording time, you can select 3 minutes, 1 minute or 5 minutes each video. Sensitivity, display, or is DVR setting. You can switch front and rear. HD2 streaming. This is a sample for Convex Special Edition T5. A front DVR recorder. This is a front camera. And a rear camera, 2-in-1 function, recording and a parking camera. So this is two-way recorder kit set, two-way DVR kit set. It's a wiring plug-in, wiring socket plug-in, connect to Android car player. Kogo Car Accessory Shop, 1 bis. Location in Seri, Kembangan, Balakong. Thank you.